Imagine putting so much time into finding a winning product. You get your ads created and you create your own Shopify store just to see 0 sales. This is a cycle that so many beginners fall into and eventually quit their dropshipping stores because of, and it's all because they're missing one key element. Don't let that be you. I'm about to take you through the absolute must-have apps that you need to put on your dropshipping store in 2023 that will take you from struggling to make sales to booming with your online store. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. What's going on, everyone? My name is AC Hampton. I'm an 8-figure marketer and an e-commerce coach who gets to teach people every single day how to start, run, and scale profitable online businesses. And with that being said, today I'm going to be revealing to you the must-have apps that you need on your dropshipping store, which have all helped me continue to keep hitting numbers like this and like this every single year of my dropshipping businesses. But before we head into the value, each and every single week I give out a free one-on-one consulting call to one lucky winner to hop on a call with my team and I to get all of your questions answered and streamline your success while doing so. If you want the opportunity of winning this call, all you have to do is smash that like button down below, and in the comment section comment the word Shopify with your biggest takeaway from this video. When it comes down to it, you can have the best product, great ads, in a professional looking store, but if you're not making the customer journey as easy as possible for them to buy, you're still going to see that you're struggling to make sales. These apps are going to help you avoid that while helping you put more money back into your pocket. And the first one on the list is a custom currency converter. In my opinion, currency converter apps are one of the most overlooked apps that have the potential to help you really start converting store visitors into sales once this app is downloaded. If you're someone like me who's targeting the big 4 countries, which is United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, you have to have the understanding that each of these countries have different currencies. With that being said, if people from these countries are coming into your store and all they see is USD, they're likely to leave your store. Making your customers have to think about what they're spending is one of the biggest mistakes that you can make. Even more recently in clothing stores, you can see that they're now adapting to the fact that there are people in the mall shopping from all over the world, and they're now even putting different currency options on the price tag. By making it easier for the customer to understand what they're spending without having to think about how to convert it, you're more likely to get the sale. My favorite app to use for this is Best Currency Converter. And with that, the setup of this app is extremely beginner friendly and easy. Literally, all you have to do is come over here to the Shopify App Store, download the app, and then enable it in the settings of your online store. Then from there, you just select which currencies you want it to convert to, just like this, based off of where people are coming from, and boom. As soon as a customer comes from a country outside of the United States, it will automatically convert to their currency and help you make the sale. And we actually help with every single thing when it comes to creating a high converting Shopify store inside my one-on-one mentorship so that you can run a profitable online business. So if you're somebody who's looking for guidance towards your dropshipping goals and want to hit real results, spots within my one-on-one mentorship are very limited, and you can apply for these spots by heading to my Instagram at AC_Hampton, DM me the word mentorship, or apply for the limited spots with the link down in my description. Now, once you have the currency converter downloaded and enabled on your store, you're then going to want to make sure that you have an app that allows customers to buy way more of your product. Let me tell you like it is. You never want to limit your customers to only being able to buy just one of your products, because then you're just limiting the amount of money that you can make off of each customer, also known as your average order value. Your average order value is the average of how much each customer is spending on your store, and if you're selling a product for $29.99, you never want your average order value to only be $29.99. Your goal should always be to get each customer to spend as much as possible while they're actually on your store, and the way that you're going to do that is by offering them with an app called Volume Discount Pricing. Volume Discount Pricing is an app that incentivizes your customer to buy more of your product for more of a discount, and this is what it's going to look like when it's enabled on your online store. So you see how you can buy this product on my store for $24.99? Well, I'm also going to give them a good discount to buy more. So if they buy 2, they get them for $32.99, buy 3, $41.99, and so on and so forth. Trust me, having upsell apps on your store is so important to help you make more money come in while not having to sell to more customers. And you'll actually be surprised at how many of the products customers actually want to buy, so you should never limit yourself to only selling one of those products per customer. And you know what they say, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Just this app alone off of 1,000 orders allowed me to make an extra $87,000. Literally $87,000 without doing a single extra piece of work. And this common marketing tactic is something that you probably see every single day without even realizing it. For example, when you go to the store and you see that you can get 1 Red Bull for $4.99 or 2 for $6.99, you immediately think that it just makes more sense to just get 2 Red Bulls, even if you don't necessarily need to. And that's exactly what you're doing for your customers when you have this exact app on your store. And the setup of this app is extremely easy as well. Once you download the app in your app store, you're just going to click the manage button and then create an offer. So it's just as simple as this. Come down here to manage, create an offer, name your offer. You can go ahead and name this after the product that you're selling. I'm gonna come down here and do volume discount quantity break. And it's as simple as this. Buy 2, get 10% off. Buy 3, get 15% off. 4, 20% off. Then you'll come down to products and you'll select the product. For sum up quantities, you're gonna keep it on per product. Then you want to come over here to discount table and go to automatic. And right then and there, you officially have your first discount table set up. And that literally only took me like 30 seconds. And once your offer is set up, you're set and the app will do the work for you. Now, before we head into the next app that you need on your store, if you're someone who wants to get started with your dropshipping journey with the right information at your fingertips and guidance, but you're on a budget, then the Supreme University is perfect for you. For a small monthly fee, you'll be getting on weekly community calls with myself and one of my e-commerce consultants to help you through each major part of running a successful dropshipping store, from finding winning products to running your ads, scaling your ads, and everything in between. Along with that, you'll have a community chat support to get your questions answered 7 days a week, and access to my Supreme Starter course so you can continue to keep learning on the side. Make sure you go ahead and click on the link down in my description to learn more, get signed up so we can get to work. Now, when it comes down to it, you can have these apps to make customers want to buy, but if they're not convinced to buy, they still won't. Along with how your product page description is set up to persuade customers to buy, which I do show you in this video right here, you need to always have strong reviews on your store, because reviews are going to be the next best thing to convince the customers to come to your store and buy from you. You should never, I repeat, never be running an online store without having reviews on your product. You've seen this review style content all across platforms like TikTok, where people review a specific product that they're using. Companies love promoting content like this because it causes an immediate boost in sales when someone that their ideal customer can relate to reviews it and claims that they love the product. That's exactly what you'll want to be doing with any product that you're selling through your review app. When importing reviews to help convince customers to buy, I personally like to think about what the ideal demographic is that will be buying this product and what problems they might be having that this product could help them with, so that I can make my reviews all around that and aim towards that specific audience. And to help with the idea of what customers might be looking for in a product, I like to search for the product on Amazon and filter down by the 1-star reviews. So for example, if we're trying to find reviews for the brow stamp, we'll head over here to Amazon and search for it. And once we head down to the 1-star reviews, we can see exactly what they're saying they wish that this product provided. And all of this material right here is easily going to help me make that decision. As long as your product is providing those things, you're able to import or create in-depth reviews promoting that your product can do that, which can help customers feel more comfortable and intrigued to actually buy the product. And my favorite review app to do this with is A-Reviews. Again, the setup is extremely simple to get it going, and just only a couple clicks, you can have reviews imported to your store. So if I want to stick with the brow stamp example and I wanted to go ahead and import these reviews, I would come over here to AliExpress, find a supplier that has a great amount of reviews. As you can see, this has 989. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. I'm gonna come back over here to A-Reviews now that it's installed. And then I'm gonna go ahead and come over here to reviews, import reviews. And let's say it's this product right here. Well, I'm simply just gonna come over here and click on paste and then click on import. It's that simple. And then once they're imported, it will look something just like this. And then you come over here to the exact product that you're already looking to add the reviews to, take that same link, paste it, and then just click on import. And then once you're finished, it's going to look like this, where you can actually click on view and see all of the different reviews that you have on your store. Now you'll see that a lot of these comments are very simple. Some of them don't even show images and probably wouldn't be convincing enough for them to buy. Well, I always suggest that you do an in-depth paragraph style review with images of the product actually being used or in use, like these ones on my store right here. Every single one of these reviews on my store show an image of the person using or already used the product, a great paragraph on why they loved it, And all of these are very congruent with highlighting the same features and benefits. And these features and benefits are the reason why someone should buy the product as well. Trust me, you'll never see a review on my store that is not in paragraph form like this. You can literally just see how much effort I put into making these, and that's because they will play a huge role into getting customers to purchase. So make sure that you're putting effort into these as well, guys. Now, as soon as you're starting to get these purchases rolling in, you're going to want to make sure that you're not missing out on any sales after the fact from customers who may have came to your store but did not purchase. The way that you're going to do that is making sure that you have an app called Klaviyo downloaded and connected to your online store. Klaviyo is an app that's going to help you use the customer's information that you've already gained from customers coming to your store and starting the checkout process but not finishing, or customers that have purchased, and help these customers get back to your store and finish the order or buy more products from you. Ultimately, it's an app that helps you retarget and get more sales. If a customer has already shown interest in your product, you don't want to just let them go because they didn't buy it the first time. You also want to use this app to retarget the people who've already bought from you, so that you can have recurring customers. As we already know, it's way cheaper to sell to customers who already know you as opposed to going out and trying to obtain new customers. So if we head over here to the Shopify App Store and search for Klaviyo, you'll see that it offers not only email marketing, but also SMS bump, meaning your marketing goes through to their text messages. Both emails and SMS are going to be huge in bringing in more orders that you might have missed out on previously. When you're sending out your marketing through this app, you always want to do it with a deal that will incentivize the customers to come back. It's very difficult for anyone to pass up on a deal, especially if it's for a product that they feel like they need. So let's go ahead and get into the setup of this app so that you can put it to use right away. So once you get onto the app, the first thing you're going to do is come over here to campaigns. Then you want to come over here to click on create campaign, and you want to go ahead and do SMS first, which literally everything I'm about to show you on SMS is the same thing that you should do on email. Click on create campaign. You want to send it to people who've engaged in the last 90 days, new subscribers, potential purchasers, and repeat buyers. After that, you're just going to continue the content. And then right here is the message content that you can go ahead and put whatever text that you want. So let me show you an example real quick. And here's just a simple example right here. Saying the person's name and then being like, hey there, we noticed you left something behind and it's the items in your cart. Head to the link below and get back to your cart and get an extra 10% off plus free shipping. You know how I told you, a deal. With this exclusive offer for a limited time, use code 10OFF at checkout. Just like this, it only took a couple seconds and you can make multiple different campaigns. And like I said, I definitely advise doing this for SMS and email marketing. Now that you have your retargeting marketing in place, you will immediately start to see the benefits because your sales will have no option but to skyrocket from here. I mean, just think about all the times that you've gotten messages from stores that you shop at that promote a huge deal or free one-day shipping, and how fast you click into it and start shopping to reap that benefit. Well, just like all these other businesses, you need to be doing this with your online store as well. Now, once you're getting these orders in, it's important that you focus on customer satisfaction, which is going to be done with having an app that allows your customers to track their orders. The number one thing that you want to avoid is having customers have buyer's remorse after buying from your store because they're not sent a confirmation that their order has been received or given updates that their order has been shipped. If you do not have an app on your store that helps you do this, you're inevitably going to run into having a ton of customer support because they will be reaching out to you trying to figure out where their orders are. So if you want to avoid a mountain of angry emails and dealing with customers every day, you're going to want to make sure that you have an app called Tractor downloaded onto your store. When you're in Tractor, you'll be able to see all your orders and the status of your orders and whether they're shipped, on the way, or delivered under the order section by hitting the track button. Now, a big question that I get all the time is, won't my customers know that the package is coming from China? And that's exactly what Tractor can help you avoid. Under the tracking page editor, you're able to go in and edit whether or not you want the carrier's name and logo placed on your tracking page. Now, in order for this app to visually show up on your store, you're going to head down to the navigation side, and then you're going to go ahead and add this to your header or your footer. As simple as this. Down to navigation, you're gonna come over here to menu, either click on your footer menu or your main menu. Then you just wanna come over here to name and type in track order. Then you just want to type in /apps/tractor and it will immediately come right up. After that, you just want to come over here and click on apply changes. Now, if I come over here to the top of my store and click on track order, now you can see the only thing that customers have to do to track down their order is literally just put in their order number and their email and then click on track. By having this app, you're going to save yourself a ton of customer care and become a trusted site that customers feel comfortable shopping from. The apps that we just covered in this video are must-haves and will help you take your dropshipping store up a notch throughout 2023 and beyond. Make sure that you're utilizing them so that you can reap the benefits and get the most money out of every customer that comes to your store, while also taking in consideration the customer journey to make them feel as comfortable as possible shopping with you. I cannot say it enough. These apps will be game changers for you. Now, before you head and go download them right now, I have to announce the free one-on-one consulting call winner from last week's video. And the winner from last week is Kane Buckley. Kane, congratulations on winning. Reach out to me on my Instagram at AC_Hampton. We can hop on a one-on-one call, look over your ads, look over your products, look over your apps, and help you out with anything you may be having questions over. And don't forget, if you want the chance to win next week, all you have to do is smash that like button down below, and in the comment section down below, comment the word Shopify with your biggest takeaway from this video. I'll see you all next week. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.
They gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it, get it right back. Stack that internet money till the site crash. They on IG tryna get a like back. See, they don't talk that talk.